So at this stage of the build, all the wall insulation's in, and we have done the drywall stocking. So that's all insulated, as you can see, and the drywall is all here. This is called drywall stocking. They basically just bring it all in. Drywall's super heavy, so they distribute it all over on the floor. You can see all the insulation and the walls that require it. These are all insulated up here. Alright, so it's mid-April, and we're getting ready to drywall. Drywall, they said, would take about 10 days. Insulation took about a day to get all the insulation in. And I'm kind of over-insulating a lot of stuff. Well, the whole house being over-insulated over what's standard spec. So passed inspection, so that means they're good to drywall. They can't cover the walls until they pass inspection and all the electrical and all that stuff's passed. Then they're good to cover the walls. But that's where we are, mid-April. Drywall, I'm looking forward to getting that on. Great insulation work though, I gotta say. Those are exterior walls there, and then there's a lot of the internal walls I had insulated as well, just for sound deadening. It's gonna be a super quiet, super warm, well insulated house. So that's where we are. This is pre-drywall and fully insulated. That's what you have.